Hello sir, my name is Dhaval Pandav. I am from collegedunia.com. A very warm welcome to our interview series which is called Thoughts on Education, where we interview with the various dignitaries such as owners, VCs, principals, HODs and teachers. Before I proceed with this interview, I would request you to give a brief introduction about yourself. Sir.
Hi everyone, my name is Ketul Soni. I am owner of Pixelizing Studios Private Limited and we own Arena Animation Malad and Holi.
Really nice knowing about you and your experience, sir. So my first question is, being the owner of Arena Animation Malad, what is your philosophy of leadership?
So for me, the philosophy behind leadership is bringing new ideas in the system and also bring the change. So when we club at change and new ideas, like as you know, we have started this education sector. I mean, we have joined hand with Arena Animation. So for education and being a student, art student, I am an art student. Okay. So there is a gap in the system. Major of the institute, colleges, they teach only softwares and techniques. So here our idea is to give a hands-on experience on real projects through professional techniques. So the student can create his journey not as being a student but as being a professional from the start. So system में जहाँ पे gap है, so education system in creative is like they give you training on the tools, softwares, but in real world, in real market, if you approach the market as being a student, so there is a gap of understanding, because in real world market लोग आपसे पूछेंगे कि आप क्या ये प्रोजेक्ट कर पाओगे. So we want to fill that gap through our incubation center. हम लोग ने यहाँ पे मलाड में ये चालू किया है with Arena कि we want to give them a hands-on experience how to work on the real projects. So basically यहाँ पे अगर कोई कोर्स करता है तो they don't need to go for the internship after completion of a project. So that can save their time.
How do you strategize about the key programs and plan for the marketing and future plans for the institute?
Marketing plan is very simple. We believe in service and word of mouth. Our students are the best tool for the marketing for us. So हमारा effort पूरा यही लग रहा है कि every student, each and every student who have enrolled, तो उसको पूरी सर्विस मिले यहाँ पे, and he'll get the best of the career as education.
How about the future plan?
Future plan, because it's a technology world, and we teach animation, creative programs. So as of now, also we have invested a lot on the technology. I can proudly say that we have got the biggest Chroma seamless room in Mumbai for the education. And in future also we are planning to have the similar kind of investment when and then it requires.
How does the curriculum of institute ensure the best practice of the industry?
We are an authorized Arena center. We are an authorized Arena center, and which is a part of AppTech group. So we already know the AppTech is very well-known name from the decades in the education industry and sector. In the education sector, not only in India but globally. So they always ensures the quality and the parameters of the correct curriculum.
What would you like people to know about your institute they may not know?
I can say our institute is not like an institute, it's an experience center. If someone is interested in creative field, no matter animation, whatever interest criteria in creative field, want to make it happen in professional way, you must visit our center. It's not like a traditional computer or maybe animation center. So it's an experience for anyone who is interested in creativity. We have got biggest chroma room, a high-tech chroma room plus VFX room. in the Mumbai. Plus, there are many other facilities also. We are planning to update also. One USP we got, which is which can differentiate ourselves from any other center plus any other college or any other institute in India, not only in Mumbai, which is our concept is. So I would like to call my center as an incubation center. We want to give our students a hands-on experience, a professional training through our resources, through our experience. And I am also I have a 20 plus experience in the industry. We have all the experienced plus talented young staff as a faculty.
Any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
Our youth is already very smart. They know what they want to do. There are many opportunity in creative world, in any field. Okay. So my advice to youth is जो भी करो 100% करो. Plus youth से ज़्यादा my humble advice to parents, अगर उनके घर में किसी को क्रिएटिव फील्ड में जाना है, no matter वो कोई भी कुछ भी करना है, just give them a chance. Give them a chance. There are a lot of opportunity in creative field also, and it's a very prosperous future for any student, for anyone.
It was a pleasure talking to you and interviewing your thoughts on education, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.